And do you think there's any point in looking into alternatives to the Play Store like the Amazon App Store, or is it not worth it?
Um, I think it depends. For me, it's like it's not worth it because Amazon doesn't have, or at least a successful phone. So my apps are specifically for phones, right? Read it to me so that you have your phone with you. It's reading messages. It's not really meant to be used on a tablet, although you could install it on that. So for me, no, but I think it depends. It goes back to the question that you had earlier. If your goal is as many downloads and as much money as possible, and it takes you very little effort, then yeah, you should be on all these platforms. Because why would you not make an extra $50 on Amazon for just dropping their SDK into the app and uploading it to their app store? But in terms of anything else, like if you're on an Android device, Play Store is where all the apps are, and that's really where you want to be. I think potentially if there's other markets that I don't specifically know about. So maybe in China they have a different Play Store for apps that don't like run Android, but they don't have the Google stuff. Then you might want to be on there. But aside from that, like it just depends. My motivation is not to make money or to get the most users possible. So the Play Store is fine for me. But yeah, it just depends. Like if you're Amazon Prime, you want to be on everything, right? Like you want to be on the Play Store, the Amazon Store, the Samsung Store. You want to be as many places as people can get you. So